One of the things I like to do with our Venetian plaster is use it for stenciling. And let me be clear, I'm not talking about the cheesy stenciling that was popular in the 80s. I'm talking about stenciling that's been done for hundreds of years in country homes and palaces. If you have a plain piece of furniture and you want to make it more decorative and glamorous, then this is the way to go. And it's very easy to do and fun. Let me show you how. For this project, I've got an old painted table, and I've chosen Venetian plaster because it gives it a more refined finish, whereas fine stone is much more rustic. Country farmhouse versus palace. Once you've sourced a stencil that works with your furniture, you simply position it to hold it in place with masking tape. I need to make sure this is nice and centered, so I'm going to use a tape measure. Apply the plaster in a nice even application, not too much at once, just like this. And carefully pull back the stencil. Once the plaster is completely dry, give it a very light sand to take off any rough edges and pull away buildup. My idea is to paint the tabletop olive green. Already this is looking far more interesting. You can leave it like this and use a clear top coat to seal it, or enhance the stencil detail with a tinted Scumble Glaze. I like that, and it was easy to do. Of course you can add a few more steps and end up with something like this. You're only limited by your imagination, so get stenciling, get creative, have fun, and I'll see you again soon.